The ALKA directed energy weapon system developed by Rocketsan is a Turkish dual electromagnetic and laser weapon to counter unmanned air system using automatic target detection by radar or electro-optical methods. The system can eliminate targets up to 500 meters away and jam signals up to 4 kilometers away. The system provides a 3-level defense capability thanks to its electromagnetic jamming system, laser destruction system, and electromagnetic destruction system having a power of 50 kW. The ALKA directed energy weapon have the capability to disable a swarm of drones at a range of 4,000 meters. Destroy a target with laser at 500 meter distance and destroy a target at 1000 meter distance with electromagnetic weapons. It can track targets at speeds as high as 150 km/h and track targets with precision of 8 mm at 1000 meter distance. It can purportedly operate in both night and daytime and on multiple platforms, both stationary and mobile. It has allegedly been used both against IEDs and IEDs in multiple environments. ALKA can perform target detection, tracking and differentiation tasks autonomously through the use of AI and deep learning algorithms. The system can also be integrated with external systems and used as part of a network structure. ALKA concentrates directed energy precisely on the target, hitting the exact marked point. The system can react at lightning speed, day or night, while the per-shot costs are extremely low. With its modular design, ALKA can be used while mobile or stationary, depending on user needs. Rocketsan is also working for the integration of directed energy weapon system technologies into different platforms. It is aimed to develop systems with a higher power to serve as part of a layered air defense system in the future.
Thanks for watching, and as always don't forget to like, share and subscribe.